I'm reading Go Dog Go by P.D. Eastman. Dog. Big dog, little dog. Big dogs and little dogs. Black and white dogs. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye, goodbye. One little dog going in, 3 big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree, a blue dog on a red tree, a green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car. Two big dogs going up, one little dog going down. The green dog is up, the yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in, the red dog is out. One dog up on a house, 3 dogs down in the water. A green dog over a tree, a yellow dog under a tree. Two dogs in a house, on a boat in the water. A dog over the water, a dog under the water.